Hey there, digital creators. Welcome to another exciting episode on Digital Wealth Hive, your go-to space for exploring and mastering digital wealth. Today, we're venturing into a realm once reserved for experts and studios, the world of 3D animation. But there's a twist. We're harnessing the groundbreaking power of AI to turn this complex craft into a piece of cake. Ready to become a digital animator? Let's jump right in. In the ocean of digital artistry, animation holds a crown. It's where life gets infused into characters, where stories take a visual form. But traditionally, it demanded hefty resources. Think sophisticated software, beefy computers, and above all, years of skill building. That's until AI revolutionized the scene, and today we're demystifying this revolution, step by step. First things first, setting up your workshop. Our pick is Deep Motion AI, a haven for aspiring animators. Why? Because it's here that your journey from a novice to a 3D animation whiz begins. Navigate to their website, hit the sign up button, and voila, you've opened your account to limitless possibilities. Simple, right? Now with the keys to the kingdom, step into the Animate 3D section. This space, it's like your digital canvas, but instead of paints, you've got cutting-edge tech at your fingertips. Start by clicking on 3D models. Here's where you meet your new digital pals, or maybe create a virtual twin. Intrigued? You should be. Okay, animation enthusiasts, are you getting value from this deep dive? If your creative gears are spinning, hit that subscribe button. Join our buzzing hive of digital creators where we regularly serve rich tech-flavored nectar. Back to creation. Ready Player Me awaits your command within the 3D Models menu. It's a realm where you morph from an everyday individual into an animation artist. Begin by choosing your avatar model. Shaping its features, dressing it up, defining even the quirkiest details. This stage is where you're not just creating characters, you're breathing digital life into your stories. Once your avatar mirrors your vision, it's time for some real fun. Animation. Remember, we're bypassing years of training here, thanks to AI. Upload a video, any video. The platform's AI will study the movements, the nuances, and replicate them onto your 3D model. It's like teaching your character to mimic reality. But we're not just creating floating characters in a blank space, are we? No, we're crafting a universe. Enter Canva. Known for its design prowess, Canva is your ally in building the perfect backdrop. Find animation within the elements, and you're a click away from setting your stage. Be it a tranquil forest, a bustling cityscape, or an abstract ensemble of colors and shapes, this is where your story finds its place. With a character ready for action and a world for it to explore, Your role elevates from a creator to a director. Using tools like Wondershare Filmora, you're now conducting an orchestra of digital elements. You'll layer the background, place your character, and with the chroma key feature, you'll weave these layers into a seamless tapestry of animation. As our exploration reaches its crescendo, reflect on the journey you've embarked upon. From opening an account to directing a mini-feature, you've traversed a path that many believe is barred without formal education or hefty investments. But you, dear friend, have shattered these barriers with the might of AI. As we draw the curtains on today's episode, it's your love and support that fuel our digital hive. If this guide added value to your creative arsenal, do give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Digital Wealth Hive for more such journeys, where we decode the complex, simplify the sophisticated, and above all, empower you to create. Remember, this hive thrives on collaboration, learning, and a passion for transforming the digital landscape. So, until next time, keep buzzing with creativity, and let's build this digital empire together. Bye.